Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC codes P0130-7C and P0133 are indicative of an issue related to the air-fuel ratio, AF, sensor, specifically sensor 1. This sensor plays a vital role in measuring the amount of oxygen in the exhaust gases, which the engine control module, PCM, uses to adjust the air-fuel mixture for optimal combustion efficiency. When the AF sensor fails to respond properly or shows a prolonged delay in its readings, the PCM detects this anomaly and triggers the DTC codes. This malfunction can lead to subpar engine performance, decreased fuel efficiency, and increased emissions. The AF sensor is typically located in the exhaust manifold, just before the catalytic converter. Understanding these codes and their implications enables us to undertake a thorough diagnostic and repair process to maintain the vehicle's performance and compliance with emission standards. DTC codes P0130-7C and P0133 refer to a malfunction or slow response from the air-fuel ratio, AF, sensor 1, which is crucial for efficient engine operation. This sensor is positioned in the exhaust manifold, where it can accurately gauge the oxygen levels in the exhaust gases. It communicates these readings to the engine control module, PCM, informing adjustments necessary for the air-fuel mixture. If the sensor cannot provide timely or accurate responses, it causes the PCM to flag these DTCs as signs of abnormal activity. Essentially, the PCM monitors the responsiveness of the AF sensor over a specified duration, and if the responsiveness is low, it concludes there is a malfunction. As a result, addressing this issue promptly can prevent further complications, such as reduced engine performance and elevated emissions. Several factors may contribute to the triggering of DTC P0130-7C and P0133. The most common cause is a faulty AF sensor, sensor 1, which can malfunction due to wear and tear, contamination, or internal failures. Additionally, wiring or connector issues can lead to poor signals being sent to and from the sensor, resulting in abnormal readings. This might involve damaged wires, loose connections, or corrosion. Another possible cause is a malfunctioning engine control module, PCM itself, where it fails to process the signals correctly. Each of these causes can adversely affect the vehicle's engine performance and fuel efficiency. A systematic diagnosis based on these potential causes is essential for effective repair. The symptoms associated with DTC codes P0130-7C and P0133 often manifest as a warning in the vehicle's performance metrics. A prominent sign is the illumination of the check engine light, which is designed to alert the driver about potential engine issues. Furthermore, drivers may experience poor engine performance, such as rough idling, hesitation during acceleration, or a noticeable decrease in overall power. Another critical indicator is an increase in fuel consumption, as the engine cannot achieve the optimal air-fuel mixture without accurate feedback from the AF sensor. Ignoring these symptoms can lead to more severe engine problems and increased maintenance costs. Being proactive in diagnosing and addressing these symptoms can greatly improve vehicle reliability and efficiency. The first step in troubleshooting DTC P0130-7C involves starting the engine and holding the engine speed at 3,000 RPM without any load, which means the transmission should be in either park, P, or neutral, N. This step is crucial as it allows the engine to reach operating conditions and ensures that the radiator fan comes on. The activation of the radiator fan indicates that the engine has reached a certain temperature threshold, facilitating subsequent system checks. This step establishes a baseline performance condition, enabling the technician to evaluate how the vehicle functions under these parameters. Monitoring the engine response helps identify if the A5 sensor is operating correctly, setting the path for further diagnostics. In the second troubleshooting step, conduct a test drive under specific conditions to gauge the vehicle's system performance. Ensure that the engine coolant temperature, ECT, sensor 1 is reporting values above 158 degrees Fahrenheit, 70 degrees Celsius before proceeding, as this temperature indicates that the engine is warm and functioning normally. While driving, the transmission should be in drive, D, and the engine speed should be maintained between 1,700 and 2,700 RPM. During the test, it's necessary to drive at a steady speed of 25 miles per hour, 40 kilometers per hour, or less for 5 minutes, followed by an acceleration to a steady speed of at least 26 miles per hour, 41 kilometers per hour, for a minimum of 8 seconds. This methodical approach carefully outlines the conditions under which the PCM assesses the AF sensor's performance and responsiveness, which will inform the next steps of the diagnostic process. The final troubleshooting step requires the technician to monitor the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, for the OBD, onboard diagnostics, status of the PGM-FI system. The primary objective here is to check if DTC P0130-7C or P0133 has reappeared after the driving cycle. This monitoring phase is critical, as it enables a confirmation of whether the AF sensor is functioning appropriately based on the responses it provided during the previous test drive. By evaluating the data collected concerning engine performance, fuel mixture adjustments, and error codes, one can ascertain the operational status of the AF sensor accurately. This thorough review not only determines the need for a component replacement, but also contributes to ensuring the engine operates efficiently within the prescribed parameters. The final repair verification process for DTC P0130-7C encompasses several critical steps to confirm that the issue has been resolved effectively. The technician should start by confirming that any repairs made have indeed fixed the problem. This often involves clearing the DTCs from the memory of the engine control module, PCM, using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. After clearing the codes, it's imperative to test the vehicle under normal driving conditions to ensure that the fix is reliable and that the vehicle runs as expected. This verification phase is crucial because it not only checks for the absence of the DTC, but also reassures that the vehicle operates efficiently within the standards set by the manufacturer. Ensuring that no additional DTCs arise after the repairs signifies that the system is functioning correctly. Preventive maintenance plays a vital role in keeping the air-fuel ratio, AF, sensor and associated systems in optimal condition, thereby avoiding the recurrence of DTC P0130-7C or P0133. Regularly scheduled checks of the AF sensor can catch potential issues early before they lead to significant malfunctions. Conducting routine vehicle diagnostics allows for the comprehensive evaluation of all engine-related systems. This can include examining the exhaust system for leaks, obstructions, or other abnormalities that may affect sensor performance. Additionally, keeping the engine and its components clean, including fuel injectors and the combustion chamber, encourages optimal combustion efficiency. By adopting these preventive practices, vehicle owners can ensure a smoother and more efficient driving experience. In summary, understanding and addressing DTC codes P0130-7C and P0133 is crucial for maintaining the performance and efficiency of the Honda CR-V 2023 Plus. The AF sensor, Sensor 1, plays a vital role in managing the engine's air-fuel mixture, and a malfunction can lead to decreased performance and increased emissions. Regular monitoring of symptoms such as engine performance and fuel consumption is essential for early detection of potential problems. Furthermore, implementing preventive maintenance practices can significantly reduce the likelihood of reoccurrence of these issues. By being proactive in diagnostics, repairs, and routine maintenance, vehicle owners can enhance the longevity and reliability of their Honda CR-V. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time!